this project, we are taking an old set of traditional built-on-site cabinets, updating them with a few options, and making it look old but new. We took dimensions of everything so that we could recreate the cabinets. There was some changes to the fridge area simply because the old fridge was a really low profile and the new fridge was narrow and tall. Using SketchUp, we did an initial drawing so the customer could see that it was going to conform to what they were asking for. One of the items was a drawer style dishwasher. It only made sense because a traditional dishwasher would have taken up a lot of space of the tiny kitchen. From rough sawn lumber, we milled up what we needed for stiles, rails, and face framing for the boxes. The stiles and rails were a 2 1/4 by 3/4 inch with a groove in them, and then we had to rabbet the door itself so that it would be traditional to the 1930s style cabinet. The sink itself, though it didn't look like it was in that good a shape when we first looked at it, we were able to take it in and have it refinished. It was a beautiful sink. We put in new plumbing fixtures, left a really nice finish. Using modern tile, we managed to create a old style backsplash finish. The cabinetry received a brushed finish to mimic what was there. This was a historic house that we were working on, so we tried to keep it as close to traditional as possible. Obviously there was some liberties taken with the dishwasher going in number one. Modern ball bearing hardware. I mean, it was traditional, but it had the modern conveniences.